begin with, would you like to tell about your role at your organization?
Yeah, a very good morning. My name is Devanand Nair. I work as a Chief Technology Officer. You can also say it is a Vice President Production Technology for Matrix Comsec Private Limited. Matrix Comsec Private Limited is a 30-year-old company from Gujarat, Vadodara, Gujarat, India. It's a true Make in India company. Since last 30 years, we are a true Make in India company, and with a mission that Indian engineers can design, develop, manufacture products for India as well as for the entire world. So that's about Matrix. Matrix is into three verticals. So our products and solutions are available three verticals. The telecom. So we were basically a telecom company. So we have telecom products for customer premises, and we have access control time attendance products. And we do have IP video surveillance products, the cameras, NVRs, and video management servers.
So do you also have any manufacturing unit here in India?
Yes. So as I mentioned earlier, Matrix being a true made in India company, we have our own research and development facilities. And our major investment is in research and development facility. We have our own manufacturing, that to a world-class manufacturing, because Matrix conceptualized products or design products or manufactured products, they are always enterprise class. So we are believing that we should have a quality, reliable, durable products that we call it as enterprise class for even normal customers. So from a SOHO customer to the enterprise customers, we deliver the same product.
So like you said that you manufacture high quality products. So would you like to talk more about your research and development, that what do you actually deliver?
True. So Matrix always invest in production technologies, and that too you can say technologically advanced products like artificial intelligence. We are already building to our products, and technologically well advanced product using the latest technology. We develop or we research and develop our products. So for railways, for example, we have been working with railways for our telecom, for our biometric attendance. It is an Aadhaar based biometric attendance systems. Now we are actually into IP video surveillance for railways.
IP video surveillance.
Yes. So our cameras are STQC approved, that is OWAS. It's a cyber security certification. We got it that certification, and now we are RDSO 6.0 compliant. Matrix Comsec is the first Indian company to get RDSO 6.0 compliant, so that all the railway stations in India where you want to install cameras, Matrix is the first company to have this compliance.
Oh, that's a great.
And we do have cameras. We do have cameras for rail coaches, which we are talking about RDSO 2.1.
So do you have also provided cameras in the rail coaches?
We are going to. We have come out with the product. The product is under certification. We already got the certification for RDSO 2.1. Right now we are testing other aspects of the same camera. This camera will be considered as a rolling stock camera.
Rolling stock camera?
Yes, because this camera should resist all vibrations and it should meet the EN standards. Right?
So is there any specific metro projects you're aiming?
No, we are actually looking at all the opportunities, right? And we'll be even offering the same product for other areas like public coach buses or even ambulances, because the same product we can. So what we do here is, this product will be completely designed, developed as per the requirements and standards of Indian Railways.
Oh, that's really great. Okay, so I think these are the strategies of your product, or is there anything that is involved in the strategy in the sales?
Yes, so we are very happy to work with Indian Railways. Right now also Indian Railways have actually reached out to Matrix to come out with a made in India product, and we are also very eager to work with them. So we are also developing a recording system which will called as a mobile NVR for the railway coaches. We were talking about cameras, but we are also coming out with ruggedized network video recorder for rail coaches. So we have solution for stations. We are completely approved for railway stations. Now our target, our strategy is to get into rail coaches and any other project where Indian Railway is actually expecting a collaborative work with Matrix R&D, and we can develop a special product for even Indian Railways.
Yeah,
We'll
I
be
think,
very happy to work
yeah,
with
yeah,
Indian
yeah.
Railways.
This is really great that you are doing this specific, as per the requirement of the railways or the public convenience.
Yes. So as I mentioned earlier, in a Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative by our Honorable Prime Minister, Matrix is very, very happy to contribute as much as possible.
Okay, so so you're talking so much about Atmanirbhar Bharat. I also would like to know that how this Make in India initiative it can accelerate your the growth of your organization.
Definitely.
Yeah.
So I can see a lot of support or initiative coming from Indian government. But Made in India is anyway actually giving a lot of benefits to companies like Matrix Comsec Limited. So our overall alignment is there with the government to bring more and more Made in India product, more and more local sourcing of components, parts for the all the products we manufacture in India. So in fact, we will be generating more Indian businesses, more jobs in India, and money, Indian money remains with Indian
Right.
companies.
Yeah, that's the whole idea of
That's the whole idea
yeah,
of
yeah.
it.
So, Mr. Pankaj, would you like to share that what is the purpose of being here at RMT 2023 and what are your strategies to align with Indian Railway pertaining to your product, what you're producing?
So, see, as we just mentioned, Matrix has been on the forefront of technology development, and designing world-class technology to fulfill the requirements at home. Railway being one crucial customer, we have been supplying our telecom equipments to railways for many years now. But now we have security equipments in terms of IPVS surveillance cameras and other access control devices. So our team, as a strategy, first cleared the requirement in terms of the certification and the nomenclature that government was asking for
Yeah.
in terms of RDSO 6. So those are cleared. We became the first company to comply to RDSO 6 compliance for our IPVS surveillance camera range.
Okay.
And now, as a strategy, we are reaching out to different rail zones and railway division boards, and even the rolling stock manufacturing companies for the on the rolling stock cameras that are required. So that would be our strategy going forward in this direction. Our visit to Delhi for this conclave is also around that same direction.
Okay, so like you said, we are also in the process of compliance with RDSO and all. So, do you find it tough to tough the policies of the government? And I would like to ask you that what do you think that government can what reforms, policy reforms can government bring so that it is a win-win situation for both public and the private sector? So, pertaining to the policy reforms, what is your take on it?
The current policy reforms that Government of India has come out with are pro business, and we welcome them wholeheartedly. In fact, RDSO 6 was a very serious step by Railway Board and Indian Railways in large to bring in the right technology and the security requirements that are needed for the kind of equipment. So Matrix has welcomed those initiatives. We have worked together with railways to design our products, and we wholeheartedly welcome those initiatives.
One more question I have, any one of you can answer that there is a lot of innovation happening in technology. So, what do you think that the innovation in technology that encourages, which will also encourages India's presence in the global market? So, what do you think about the innovation in technology? How can we, boost it, or how can we take India to the global level when it comes to innovation in technology?
Yes. So technology and innovation both actually should contribute in improving human life, right? So and both can do that actually. So our main interest, for example, if you take railways, the public safety is the first parameter to be taken care of. How do we ensure that, and what kind of technology contributions possible to improve public safety? So there are many areas. Artificial intelligence now started playing a larger role. how actually artificial intelligence can identify humans, how identify theft, how can identify threat.
Yeah.
So these are all possible. So technology and innovation in this direction is actually in a fast space, and we are looking at all possible options to improve human experience in this world with the technology and innovations.
Wow, that's a great answer. Thank you.
Thank you.
In your view, what is the role of such events, the RMT Conclave, in the growth story of rail and metro industry?
Okay, so rail actually it's a two Indian Railway is a very big organization, and reaching out to all the entities of Indian Railway or maybe the suppliers connected with the Indian Railway is too difficult. So I think Rail Analysis is doing a very good job of organizing such an event where we get connected, and we also come to know, we also share our experience, we also learn to understand from others what their experience and what kind of contribution they are making into Indian Railways improvements, and what contribution Matrix can do.
Yeah.
So I consider this event as a must, and it is one of the best event I seen. Congratulations and thank you very much, Rail Analysis, for really organizing such a wonderful event.
Yeah, just to add in this, any feedback for our event, like how can we improve it, and any opinion?
I think the event is organized well. It was well placed. We have the suppliers, the OEMs, the original equipment manufacturers, and the partners getting along with the actual buyers, which is Indian Railways. So I only foresee this growing multi-folds in the coming years. So
Thank
all
you.
the best for that.
Yeah,
Thank you.
thank you so much. Thank you so much.